So, while I take a walk alone today, I wanted to talk to you all. Look around me. See? There are no buildings, no trees, just endless sand in every direction. When you stand somewhere like this, it makes you pause and ask yourself, what is really here with you? What is with you in every single breath? What is that never-ending feeling? That is Allah. Wherever we go, Allah is always with us. And as we walk through this silent, peaceful place together, let's learn 5 beautiful English words to describe what we feel right now. When you look out and see no limits, just endless sand meeting the sky, we call this vast. Vast. It means extremely big, boundless, and huge. Like, the desert is so vast, but Allah's mercy is even greater. Whenever you see the infinite ocean, the night sky, or these open dunes, remember the word vast. Word 2, solitude. Notice how quiet it is? I am walking here by myself, but I don't feel lonely at all. I feel at peace. When you are alone and your heart feels quiet, calm, and connected, that feeling is called solitude. Loneliness makes you feel empty, but solitude fills your heart with peace. Like, I love walking in solitude because it reminds me to reflect and give thanks. 3. Reflection. When there are no distractions around you, no noise, no busy streets, your mind naturally turns inward. You start to think deeply about life, about your journey, and about your blessings. That deep, quiet thinking is called reflection. Like, this quiet walk is giving me time for deep reflection. Sometimes, we all need a moment away from the noisy world just for quiet reflection. Harsh. Look at the conditions here. The sun is hot, the wind moves the sand, and water is rare. Life here is not easy. When conditions are tough, rough, or difficult to live in, we describe them as harsh. Like, even in such a harsh climate, small plants still find a way to grow. It's a reminder that even when life feels harsh, help and strength are always near. Imagine walking through all this hot sand, feeling tired, and suddenly you find a cool spring of water with green shade. That special place in the desert is an oasis. O-A-S-I-S. Oasis. In English, an oasis is also any peaceful spot or moment that gives you relief during a hard day. So, as we finish our walk today, remember our 5 words: vast, solitude, reflection, harsh, and oasis. No matter how vast or quiet the world around you feels, remember that you are never truly alone. Which of these words touched your heart today? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thank you for walking with me today. Keep learning, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.